Today I want to talk to you about a new automation, which is launching a Keyboard Maestro macro from an iOS device. For me, this was useful in having a macro to put my Macs to sleep, in case some of those days where I forget and I'm already in bed, so I can use them to put them to sleep without having to get up and actually interact with my Mac itself. This time I'm going to show you how I did it via a remote trigger that is an option on Keyboard Maestro. So let's get started. First, we're going to set up the Keyboard Maestro macro. Actually, just see how it's set up. So here's Keyboard Maestro. And I'm calling it here Music Launcher. This is the macro we're gonna test out. So we're gonna go to Edit to see how it works. So here we have, it simply does 3 actions. It activates the music app. It then pauses for 2 seconds. And then I have a Apple script executed here that says, tell application music, play playlist named recently added, and then an Intel. And that's it. Those are the 3 actions. The 3 actions are then have a trigger called the remote web trigger is accessed. And that's, you can find it here on the list. This is it right here. And it gives you this this URL. I'm going to have this blurred out when you see this video. But then you copy this basically hook URL, and then you go over here to iOS, and then you open the Shortcuts app. Here it is. Now we're going to click done here. And then we're going to start with a brand new shortcut. And hit text. Oops, I don't know what I'm typing yet. Text. Here it is. And then we copy this URL into the text box. So, and I already have it copied here. I go into drafts to just copy it over. Let's see. What was it? Was it this one? 31. No, not that one. Oh. Not this one. This one right here. So I'm going to copy this path, or this URL hook, and then go back to the text in Shortcuts, paste it in here, like so, and then I would add another action, get contents. Get contents of URL, this one. And yeah, that's basically it. And then once these are set up, you would basically, what I would do then is I'm going to go back to the other shortcut to show you how it would work. So here would it be text, right? Yeah. So it's already connected with the action above. I'm going to close this and I'm going to play Mac music. That's the launcher, or that's what I named the shortcut here on iOS. So I'm going to click it now. And there it goes. And here you see Mac music playing. I'm going to pause this for now. I'm not going to show the have the audio on because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. So there you can see how I launched a Keyboard Maestro macro from my iOS device. Alright guys, that's what I have for today. Hope you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Let me know what videos you like and what other sort of automation content you'd like to see. Alright guys, I will see you all in the next video.